Today we're installing the Master-Lock truck bed U-Lock. The truck bed U-Lock is designed to lock your tools like this power saw within the back of your pickup. Truck bed U-Lock from Master-Lock will fit Dodge, Chevy, Ford, Toyota, Tundra. You can either install it by removing the cleat within the pickup truck bed or in the stake bed pocket. If you're going to use the stake bed pocket, Master-Lock supplies a bracket to go within the pocket to lock the unit on. The installation I'm doing today is on the truck bed cleat. I'm going to replace the cleat with the lock. I've already removed the cleat, as you can see from over here. On a Ford pickup, which is the application today, that takes a torque spit to remove the screws. So you'll need one of those. Like I said, I've already removed it. The unit comes with the bracket. The bracket has multiple holes for different applications. It also has a gasket that goes between the bracket and the bed of the pickup so it won't get corroded. You can speed the process by using a drill driver like I am today. I'm utilizing the old screws. Just takes 2 screws. There's one. There's the other. Go back to make sure they're secure. Next, you install this cover, just covering those screws so nobody has access to those to remove the lock. Slip that over. Master-Lock provides an Allen wrench, so you're just screwing the 2 pieces together through this loop. Nice and tight. Now you can see how it swivels. Once you engage the lock and pull the key, that seals the hole back here so you can't put the wrench in anymore to remove the screw and steal whatever you're trying to steal. So you unlock it with a cable. You can lock up the saw like I'm doing here.